Oh hey guys, Deadpool here, and this is Deadpool Games Part 1. And today we're playing Pixel Gun. I know it's a very old game, but I still like it. I like it, I guess. I guess I call it Fortnite since I have an Android phone. So I'm gonna call it Fortnite. Right, let's go. Well, it's very hard to work with in these world. Yeah, let's go. I got a kill assist. Oh, in Fortnite you can't get kill assists, but you can get kills. So I guess I call this my new Fortnite. Fortnite for Android. Right? What's in here? Shoot, let me shoot. Nope. I can't find any other guys. I have not been killed yet. I didn't even see that was a guy. I didn't know that was a bad guy. I thought that was somebody on our team. So this is my rabbit, guys. Oh, shit, no! That's the same exact guy. Are you kidding me? Shit. Oh my god. The same exact guy. Are you serious? I'm gonna kill that guy now. Where is he? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Got him. Wait, how are they winning? No. Gosh darn it. Yes, he lost. Yes, he got killed. There's no black room. Get him. Good job, guys. Oh, no, it's a guy. Oh my gosh, how many more times is this guy going to kill me? Oh! No! This guy is just everywhere. He's killing me every single thing. I've only got 22 kills because I haven't been paying attention. If I would have been paying attention, they wouldn't have had those 22 kills. No! My team! I had 1 kill. You know, I disappoint myself sometimes. Ugh. Okay. So, oh my god, we need to take off this belt. I should be sitting back, too. No, because of my neck. Alright. Yeah. 5 hours left, okay. Parkour City. I want to show you guys my little trick. Go. Where's my building? This isn't my building, but okay. This isn't my building either. But my trick does start over there at that. Yeah, baby. I'm gonna try to get over there. Come on, Rabbit. No! Okay, good. Building. Right, red guys? No! Puppy, 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 no! No, 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 no! It's right there. I need to sell all the subscribers on YouTube. Sweet! I got a kill assist! Gosh dang it! Alright, here it is. This is the building. Now, don't think I'm crazy. I missed. Darn it. So now I'm just going to have to jump. Okay, I made it. I'm going to charge my chip. It doesn't allow me to. My tea is not doing well. I'm not doing any better. But my team isn't helping me. Ugh. Area 52. I do good at this one. So if I don't have good teammates, and it's their fault we lost, not mine. I'm good with this one. I got 7 kills and then thing on the front. BY. Okay, cool. Okay, please tell me I was not killed by Fox. But then I was. I'm gonna try to get to our side. God. There's a pet biting me. Again? I had 2 kills. See that? I got -3 shields. That's not cool. Now what place am I in? I'm in 7th. So what's up with this lucky chest here? Can't tap it. Okay, yes, I got gems. Now I have to buy another one. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes, 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 I got a new character. I wanted this guy. Profile. Special league item. No, I want the, armory, right? Yeah. Wait, I think I'm in the way. Yeah. Wait, no, it's not in the armory. Skins, yes it is. Look at all these skins I can have. I never even knew that. Do I want this skin or do I want this skin? I want this skin actually, so equip. Or do I want this skin? What about this skin? Maybe if I take off like all the armor and stuff, it'll look pretty cool. Can I actually like not press this? Okay, there we go. Unequip. Armor. Do I need to have the armor on? I don't want the armor, but okay. Here, look, I'm gonna go back in armory. Where? I wanna change my skin now. I wanna be this guy, because he looks better with the armor on. Alright, I'm gonna play one last game. And then I gotta go. Okay. Let's see. How about pool party? We'll do a small map for the last one. Let's go. You have me on snowstorm. I know I got a kill assist. Oh, you think you can be sneaky, sir? Right now. I knocked off 2. I think it's gonna be a little long. underwater instead of shooting. Apologies. Oh my god, what the fuck? Stop it! Who are you? How did you know I was right there? I was gonna die. Why does he have his dagger out? I actually just got a grenade kill. I may help our team out with this one. I may just actually help my team out with this. Come on. Why is not a doggy? Oh, we got 36 seconds. Yeah, we are. Just because I can't turn. Grenade. Grenade, bro. I have 4. Alright guys. So I guess that is all for today. I'll see you in Deadpool Gaming Part 2. Dang, my lead keeps going down. Hopefully in the next Deadpool, I'll be able to get my league up from 10. Alright. See you guys later. Bye.